Let's use the associative property to rewrite this expression. Now, the associative property, just as a reminder, means this. If you have three numbers that you're going to add together, a plus b plus c, here's how you could do this. You could associate either the first two and then add in the third, or you could add the second two first and then add the first. All right, so it's just like you can move this set of parentheses around. All right, so here's what we have. We have 7 plus 5 plus a. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this set of parentheses and shift them over and write it as 7 plus 5 plus a. And 7 plus 5, well, we can do that one. That's going to be 12 plus a. Now, problem number 12, we were using the associative property for this addition. Well, it turns out there's also an associative property for multiplication, and that one goes like this. If you have three numbers you're going to multiply, now I'm going to stretch this out here, a times b times c. You could multiply the first two together, according to the order of operations, and then multiply it by that third, or you can multiply the second and the third first, and then multiply it by the first. So what we've got here is 9 times 2a. I'm just going to shift this set of parentheses over and write it as 9 times 2 times a. But 9 times 2, of course, is 18. So I'm going to write that as 18a. So with that in mind, when I see something like this, 9 times 2a, I don't have to go through all this. I can just write this directly. Oh, I see it as 9 times 2, 18 times a. Problem number 14 says use the associative property to rewrite each expression. Well, we only have one expression, right? And then simplify it. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to rewrite this as, all right, I'll write it first. It's 9 and then 2/3 x. Well, I can rewrite this if I just shift this over as 9 times 2/3 x. Now, 9 times 2/3, I could either do it like this. 9 times 2 over 3 x. 9 times 2 is 18 over 3 x. 18 divided by 3 is 6 x. Right? I could do it like that, or I could cancel first. Right? 3 will go into 9 3 times, and then I get 3 times 2 x, which I get 6x. So either way I do this, I'm going to get 6x out of that.